Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of withdrawing cash from your Fidelity account. Whether you need to access some funds for personal use or to manage your financial portfolio, we're here to help you with a step-by-step approach. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Fidelity account. Begin by visiting the Fidelity website or opening the Fidelity mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once you are logged in, look for the menu at the top of the page or the main dashboard in the app. Click on Accounts to access your account details. Step 3. Select Transfer or Withdraw. In the Accounts section, locate and select the option that says Transfer or Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal interface. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will now need to select the bank account where you would like your funds to be sent. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do this first by providing your bank account details. Step 5. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount of cash you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you are aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts or fees that may be associated with the transaction. Step 6. Review your withdrawal request. Before you finalize your withdrawal, take a moment to review the information you provided, including your bank account details and the withdrawal amount. Ensure everything is correct. Step 7. Confirm the withdrawal. Once you're satisfied with your information, click the button to confirm the withdrawal. You may receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. Step 8. Wait for processing. Withdrawal requests typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the same account section where you submitted the request. Step 9. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your bank account to ensure the funds appear as expected. If you encounter any issues, you can reach out to Fidelity Customer Service for further assistance. Remember, always consult the official Fidelity website or customer service for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding your account and withdrawal processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.